Yes, Iyah, yes, Iyah. Yeah, man, good afternoon, good afternoon. Yeah, man, and welcome all, yeah, man, all my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man, yeah, man, what I want to say now is that, yeah, man, Barry School Sports, here I come. Yeah, man, next week, Wednesday. Yeah, man, fully orange. Yeah, man. Yes, man, that me want to talk about. That me want to talk about now. Because I'm going to tell some converse history and say them myself a boycott Barry School Sports, you know. Because of all them try to push the politics in the school with them, with all them greenhouse and all them sitting there, you know. I know say when we really think back over. We say, well, just load them with them greenhouse thing. You know, see it? Yeah, man. And we all about to go Barry School Sports. Who want wearing colours. But I fully orange me and we go Barry School Sports. I mean, you see it? Yes. I did boycott day sports, you know. Never gone on day sports. You know, see it? And see when I boycott Falmouth United that play them ball games. You know, see it? I'm multi-purpose stadium. Because I say, Centre of Falmouth United own gun. I never gone on match yesterday. But me say they win 4 or 5 love. Congratulations to Falmouth United. Yeah, man. Because talent there, I don't know that already. That's why I say me, the reason I got Barry School Sports, you know. Because of the local kids them, you know. Yeah, man. Like Christine look boy there, you know. Because Christine tell me saying son run good and his son, yeah, man. You know, see it? And more kids, them they run good and so forth, you know. So I say, boy, the Africa future, yeah, man, the kids, them are Falmouth. No matter what political party them affiliated, them peers affiliated to. Because politics, Falmouth people put me in a position that I'm the man today what I can be. Independent, and I can speak out and burn me fire and burn me fire. Because politics can't come between me and Falmouth people. You know, see? Yeah, man, come here, volley for people who support the JLP, who love sports. Big up yourself, blacks. Big up yourself, blacks. You form a village chef. Yeah, man. Boy. But you boy that Steve drop out, that's why I go in general. But you know, say, you see me and blacks are virgin for life. Because black supporting party for a reason. You support my party same way. And that's how we go. That's how we go. And there's one love same way, brother. Falmouth people, them are some talented set of people, them, brother. I mean, I left them out. I want to see the kids, them. On the voice of bed, brother. Just like a video. Something in the sports. Nip School Sports, my video 8 infant sports, and my video 8 primary sports. I'm going to video Barry School Sports next week, Wednesday. But I'm going to live stream it there, you know. I'm going to just video it and put it on and post up it in a seat after sports day. So the kids them and them parents them who they have sports day can go back and watch it on their phone. Watch himself on YouTube. Because the kids are excited about YouTube and want to see themselves on YouTube. So I'm going to do it for all the kids them. Especially Christine boy and Mula boy them. Big up yourself, Miss Mula. Yes, big up yourself, Miss Mula. And always, big up yourself. Yeah, my mama. Big up yourself, Christine. Yeah, my mama Christine. Yeah, man. So I do it for the Falmouth people, them. Come see me go boycott, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me now boycott it. Because me a go there. I buy school sports next week. Because I now work for the school, you know. The past 2 years I work for the school. I now work for the school so here right now. So, if you don't want instant picture in a seat, I can't take instant picture on my phone. I say me roll now, you know. Via Wi-Fi, via Bluetooth, you know. Now my printer I can print on phone, you know. The next printer I have instant printer can't print on phone. So I have a new one now. Yeah, I use your Iyah show. And the 24 Ultra I use on this now. And the 23 Ultra the video me now. Yes. So I have an instant printer. When I go work at bicycle sports come next Wednesday. And I have an action camera same way. So I can take on the kids across the finishing line. Because this a take no picture announce sports day yet, you know. I don't use your school sports. I don't use your Iyah infant sports. I don't use your Iyah primary sports. I know this a take no picture on sports day yet. But when I can't go by school sports, we take the kids in apart, the cross and finishing line. And when I come out of them, animal get set starting. So I come fully equipped. Yeah man. Come on, I know say I'm fully equipped. I not left behind like Kodak. See what a Kodak this now? Kodak, see that? Kodak camera this now. No go pull it. No pull it. I'm showing the film section. A long time I pull in, brother. See it, yeah? Long time I pull it, brother. Kodak, film. This we start out with. I'm showing you already now. This we start out with. The more than talk about Kodak again. I play Nikon and Canon and Sony and Fuji. Yeah. So I'm Kodak that. So how do I say, boy? I say, yeah man. Now for the bicycle sport, but fully equipped. You know see it? Yes. I saw me go start work now. So I now make now, because right now, I do my gym right now. Can I build a content, yeah? I done the build content. I go do some workout. In me, myself, and I wife a gym. I love sports, brother. So when I say, come next week Wednesday, I'll roll you to yeah man. Because I say, I stop go bicycle, I stop go park and this, but what? I just say I go stay. But come next week Wednesday, can I big up TJ. Now the TJ has strength. So I go showcase the kids them pan the price of Bedmiller. Make the world to bike school pitting them. Just like when you say Iyah primary and infant pitting them. I now left for bike school. And the kids them I do it for. So I come to bike school sport next week Wednesday. Fully arranged. Michael Manley Pitney. I come to bike school sport. Besides me, the close by saying boy. Besides the orange car already. My alliance, I want to be in my alliance. Come to me one orange car, no brother. I want my car because I start out one car just like Fabo, no brother. I want my car because you understand me? So my alliance, fan sports and lifestyle, get the orange car up and running, brother. My general, because if you try your best, but just get it up and running. I don't stop talking about it. That's why I want to enter state school compound again, you know. Until I push through my orange thing, my orange card through state's gate, you know. So what I say, I'll roll it to back school sports next week, Wednesday. In a seat. Yeah man. Because Falmouth belongs to we. Falmouth belongs to we. Barrack School, Falmouth All Age belongs to us. We love Barrack School. I mean, I say, I just got on time, and time soon come when time soon come to park will go back to where that park was used to be in a Conqueror's days, and center go back to in a city, in a village days. No one yourself. So, yeah man, I don't know long talk, I want to keep the thing at 10 minutes. So, big up yourself, Soko, and big up yourself, all Falmouthians, home and abroad. Big up yourself to all the who go Barrack School. All the all people who are Jamaica and who all over the world. Who go Barrack School. Big up on your damn self. Because we all love Bible school, we all love Falmouth all age. And that's how we all we go. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm telling you, they can't move Bible school from the Bible school there. Because I say you want to move Bible school and put it on a 1 mile. Bible school shall never move. As long as we have Falmouth, Bible school can't move. So, if you sell out Bible school, you better give back Royal Caribbean their money. Because Bible school shall never move from where there. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Michael Manley Pitney. Yeah, man, I tried out. I'm looking out for all the support next week, Wednesday down the park. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah.